All right, so we got another tree right here. It's this maple that shoots straight up. You guys can see it. It's got a little bit of a lean. It's kind of going in the direction of where we want it. The lean is more kind of towards here. We got a house here, but I'm gonna try and drop it right here. It should be relatively straightforward. I'm gonna do my face cut here. It looks like there's kind of some rotten material, so I'm gonna stay above that, right about here. And then we're gonna watch this thing go down that way. So I'm gonna make sure I leave some good holding wood, and there's a little bit of weight on the front, but I don't think it's gonna be enough to make any difference as far as like me doing a bore cut or anything. So we're gonna get this area cleared out here first and get this taken care of. So first thing I'm gonna do is just clear out this entire area first. Then I'm gonna reassess kind of what we got. Yeah, this has a good lean right where we want it. So as long as I just do a good basic clean cut, this will be just fine. It's almost gonna be a borderline springboard tree right here off the edge. Just so that we have a good, clean working area around here. I'll text my dad here real quick. Let him know.
If you don't hear from me, that means that tree got it.
Yeah, right. I'd hope not. There you go. So that's shooting up right down dead center of that dirt patch. That's better. There's my face cut there. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. It's not as sharp as I would like, but it'll do just fine for this tree. Yeah, so this is not the cleanest face cut. You'd want to see it like in a total line right here, right. Really sharp.
Yeah.
But this will be just fine for this tree. Yeah, then my back cut, I'm gonna shoot for like going right above this face cut by about an inch. Mm-hmm. We'll just take her nice and easy and
cool.
Leave some good holding wood, so. Wait for some no wind here. There we go, that's better. All right. Well, thank the good Lord, it went where we wanted it. Yeah, so my saw came to right about, probably about here before this just broke off. So yeah, this is just rotting.
Water and sap in there.
Oh yeah, that's nasty. This is all dead though. Like, see, there's no good holding wood here.
Yeah.
It's only right here on this side. right, so we're gonna cut this thing up into some long sections. My cuz is gonna use his excavator over there, and we're just gonna get this thing handled. So I'm just gonna kind of do some small liming, and roughly every about 15 feet, I might use my logger tape for the first time. Okay. Well, we got the tree down and we're just loading limbs now, so there's nothing too fun, or nothing too intriguing, I should say, left. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is like one of my, I think maybe I'm still in single digits for trees that I've taken down. This might be like number 9 or something like that, but I'm just praising God it went well. It went where we wanted it to go. I'm kind of just stuck to the basics, and I better get working. My cousin's gonna outwork me. So, all right guys, thanks for watching.